Different projects can be created in the ArCADia system: architectural, installations like water supply, electrical, gas supply, or even heating. It is rarely done on a single document, and if we have it done on various documents, it will be very difficult to check whether any elements are colliding with each other. Therefore, if we have a file with all the installations, or because they are created on a single document, or because they were merged together, we can enable such a checking option. The collisions options are available on the system ribbon. Before we enable this option, it would be good to show something more on the 3D view, because if we enable at the present moment the collision option, the entire architecture shall basically cover the highlighted collisions. In this case, we will check collisions between elements of particular installations. So we just disable the architecture. It is good to also check collisions between architecture and individual installations, but for now we will only do the installations. I do not recommend checking for collisions of everything at once, as there could be too many things marked and it would be difficult to figure everything out. It is better to select 2 to 3 installations and to check them one by one. Turning on the collisions feature opens a window in which elements are checked with each other. In order to check collisions for the entire project, it is best to choose the template whole, although, as I mentioned earlier, I do not recommend it. If we want to check particular elements, we select the elements from the list on the left and mark the second one on the right side. Let's say that we mark electrical installations with gas and water supply, heating and sewage installations. And if we have selected the elements, we click OK. We have the collisions already showing. Some orange balls showed up, displaying intersections and collisions of elements. Collisions are marked both on the project and on the 3D view. You can double-click on the marked collision and check on what it is colliding with, unless of course the colors don't tell us that. In order to be certain that we have all the information about the collisions, it is advisable to create a file list of collisions. Here we have a list available with the possibility of exporting it as an RTF file. Collisions are not automatically resolved. Now we should save the file with the collisions, and we can add the list and send it to the specialists who will fix these collisions.